Good morning, students. Today we will talk about health safety. It is very important concern in any production house, in any management area, wherever you are performing, wherever you are going to work. The health safety topic will meet you, and you will have to entertain the term health safety. Safety is very important in management. It is not for to save any life or any material. Basically, safety is related to business ethics also. The one who is working for you, it is your responsibility to save her, to provide better environment to work. And if it is related to health, then it is mandatory. You will have to save the resource also. Resource means also the money, the material, the machine. All these are related to safety concern. But when we are concerned about health safety, then it becomes very important issue in every aspect. We think always about profit, maximization of profit. While talking about maximization of profit, we may ignore the health safety term. Yes, it is not for all, but sometime we can have this in the news or any research paper or any case study, that some accidents have been done or occurred due to the ignorance of health safety term in the production house or in the management stream. So health safety is also related with environment, working environment. When we talk about health safety, we have some keys, we have some formulas also, and I am very happy to tell you that it is also considerable in a management stream, that you will find a separate management system that is called health safety, health and environment management. So we have a separate management system for safety, health and environment. Before coming to the topic, I would like to highlight the definition of safety: the condition of being protected from or unlikely to cause danger, risk, or injury. It means safety is a condition of being protected by which, by danger, by risk, or by injury. Means we have to keep safe our resources from what? From danger, from risk, from injury. From danger, from injury. So this is called safety. Now, kindly relate the danger, the risk, and the injury with environment. We may have an environment in which all things are very pleasant, all things are very mannered, very systematic. And if I say you to work in that condition, you will say, okay, sir, I will work in that condition. But where the fan is not hanged properly, the light is not proper, and some also life risk factor are there, and I am ordering you to work there, then you will say, no sir, sorry sir, I can't go there. my life is more important than your work. So when you are not feeling satisfied with the environment, you will try to complete the work as soon as possible. Then what will happen? The quality may be differ. The quality may be differ. It will be not up to the standard. I have told you already that when the employee is very happy, the production rate increased by that. When your employee thinks that this is my organization and organization is also thinking about me, about my safety, about my life, about my development, then the belongingness has been in the belongingness will be increased, and it will boost the production, and the boosting the production will give us maximum profit. It is it's a it's a good term. It's a good way to think about this. Yeah, means if you want to increase production, then you have to work on your employees. It is very nice aspect. It is very nice way to work in management system. So what is safety, health and environment? Before coming to the management, I would like to say something about the safety, health and environment policy. Safety, health and environment policy. Health, safety and environment protection policy. It is a company's policy to provide healthy and safe working conditions to the employees. Healthy and safe working condition. Healthy and safe working condition. Promote and enhance safety as a work culture. Promote and enhance safety as a health culture. Promote and enhance safety as a work culture. Prevent loss or human injury and avoid any adverse impact on the environment. Prevent loss or human injury and avoid any adverse impact on environment. This is the policy, and this policy consists some things, some aims. The aim of this policy is to save humans life, to provide healthy, safe and environment friendly environment to whom? To employees. To provide safe working conditions, to promote and enhance safety as a work culture, to prevent loss or human injury and avoid any adverse impact on environment. This is called the policy of any company towards health, safety and health, about environment. So what will be the positive impact of this system, this policy? The loss will be minimized, the satisfaction of employees will be enhanced, the chances for protection of each and every resources will be increased, and it will boost the business ethics policy. Suppose anyone is asking that what is safety in our environment? What is mean by safety? Then environment safety is the practice of policies and procedures. Environment safety is the practice of policies and procedure that ensure that a surrounding environment including work area, laboratory or facilities is free for danger and could cause harm to a person working in those area. I repeat, environment safety is the practice of policies and procedures that ensure that a surrounding environment including work area, laboratories or facilities is free from danger that could cause harm to a person working in those area. A safe place to work in the key element of environment safety. A safe place to work in the key element of environment safety. So, what may be the problem for environment safety? In general term, the lighting, the equipments, establishment of equipment, assembling of equipment, the handling system of raw materials, the system of packaging and production, it should be safe, it should be helpful, and it should be employee friendly. So this is all about policy, health, safety and health policy. Now come to the management, safety, health and environment management. There is a term that is called that is HSE. HSE. It is nothing but health, safety, environment. HSE. So what is HSE? HSE or health, safety, environment management system is an integrated approach where all the three HSE factors are effectively managed to reduce risk in the workplace. The objective of a safety management system is to provide a structured management approach to control safety risk. The objective of a safety management system is to provide a structured management approach to control safety risk. What is safety in our environment? Environment safety is the practice of policies and procedures that ensure that a surrounding environment, including work areas, have told you, laboratories and facilities, you have to correlate the same thing, same definition, is free from danger that could cause harm to a person working in those area. The implementation of that policy is called the management system. Uh, you will find a manager also in the organization that who will call the health and safety manager. What is the role of that manager? The health and safety manager's role and responsibility can include, but not are limited to, monitoring health and safety risk and hazards in the workplace, managing emergency procedures such as fire alarms, drills, and organizing emergency teams such as fire marshals and first aiders. Even the first aid is also related to health and safety manager. So it is very important term in our area, in our management area, in our production area, even in our laboratories also, in our colleges, in our institutions also. You will find so many safety equipment in our college, in our university also, in our department. The next chapter will be based on the importance and other issues of health and safety manager.